Scientific discovery begins with understanding materials at their most fundamental level. For more than 5 decades, Kratos Analytical has been designing and manufacturing state-of-the-art scientific instruments that help make that understanding possible.
Over the years, Kratos has played a leading role in the development of technologies for X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy and MALDI time-of-flight mass spectrometry, tools that enable scientists to explore the composition and chemistry of materials with exceptional precision.
Today, Kratos instruments are used in research laboratories, universities, hospitals and industry around the world.
Our XPS systems support advanced materials characterization, while our MALDI-ToF platforms enable increasingly demanding analytical applications.
Behind every instrument is a team of specialists in electronic, electrical, mechanical and software engineering, working together with our production, sales and support teams to deliver reliable, high-performance systems.
At Kratos Analytical, we're proud to support scientists as they gain deeper insights, advanced knowledge and push the boundaries of discovery.